It's the hallway leading to our room. It's really cool looking. This is room 838 at the Cromwell, Las Vegas, Nevada. Alright, so this is the king luxury room at the Cromwell in Las Vegas. Take you on a quick tour. This is the view when you first walk in. Over here on the left, got a little sitting area. Has a L-shaped leather sofa. Interesting artwork right here. Check that out. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's got some comfy pillows, and it has like a little coffee table, but they've made it also, it looks like a checkerboard table. So you could have a game of checkers if that's what you feel like doing here in Las Vegas. And a nice little sitting area. The king bed is very comfortable. I would describe it as firm but soft. It's probably a pillow top, so it feels really good. It's a cool leather headboard. Each side has a bedside table with a lamp. There's that one. This one over here. Those pretty cool lamps. The lamps have a feature where you can plug in some charging cords. This side has the telephone. Here's the other bedside table. One plug on this lamp, but I did notice there are plenty of outlets here if you have more than one phone plug. And the design of the side tables, pretty cool. They're like suitcases, trunks. Nice design. Okay, on top of the dresser, there's a cool little radio. And of course, you got your little bar set up, a couple glasses, ice bucket. You also have where you can order some snacks, drinks. And the dresser, not really a dresser, but more of a, if you open up this side over here, does have a little mini fridge with beverages. The prices were above of different waters, champagnes, wines. But what I like about this, there's room where you can put your own things like water. Here, you can see we've got some leftover pizza there. So that's nice. That gives you a little room for your own stuff. This side of the dresser, let's see what's here. Those are snacks that were listed up there in case you get the munchies and you don't want to leave the room. And there is, ooh, yeah, the bar. Again, for a price, you can, have a little party in here. On the bottom drawer, which is kind of cool, I had a hard time finding the safe. Finally, I opened it up and it's in the bottom drawer. It's actually pretty cool, pretty big, plenty of room for your valuables. Okay, next to the sitting chair with the floor lamp, there's a mirror. On the other side of this mirror is actually the shower, and I'll show you in the video. If you turn off all the lights in the living area and a person's taking a shower, you can actually see them through the mirror. So we'll show you that in a little bit. Okay, and as you walk, there's a big armoire. In here, there's room to hang your clothes. It's pretty large. Let's open it up. Lots of room for your hanging clothes, jackets. It's got an ironing board. Backpacks we stuck up here. It does come with a couple Cromwell robes and some drawers. So plenty of room to put your clothes and stuff. Next to the armoire, there's a little, looks like makeup area where you can sit and get ready. Chair's kind of cool. It's like kind of like a corset. It's pretty neat. But what I think was pretty cool here is this: if you forgot some beauty products, they have them here for a price, but you can use the stuff. It tells you what the prices are. Let's see. So if you wanted to use some shampoo, William Rome shampoo, 23 bucks. Shaving cream, 25. So if you forgot something, it's here for you to use. It does come with a hair dryer like most hotels, but what I thought was pretty cool, it comes with a flat iron. You don't see that in a lot of hotels. So ladies, if you like to use the flat iron, Cromwell gives you one to use. Okay, here's the bathroom. Let me see if I can show you. It actually closes with barn doors, which I really like barn doors. So instead of just a regular door, I don't know if you can really tell. Well, it comes with a barn door. It's got one large basin, nice large mirror with lights. It has your standard things. Towel rack, you know, just normal stuff. And over to your left is the private bathroom area, so you can close this door and have a little area. It has some interesting artwork in here as well. One of my favorite parts of this is the shower. It comes with two nozzles. You've got the rain head right there, and you also have a shower head over here. But if you open it up, let's take a look. There's the mirror I was telling you about. So, and we'll show you how you can see the person in here. But the shower, the tile work is just really cool. It has some good phrases in here. So, a little positive. Very nice, has a bench in here. Gives you, your shampoos and conditioner, shower gels, soaps, but really nice shower, good water pressure, lots of hot water, which is important. Really cool. The area with the toilet does have one window that you can open. It's very small, but you can open it up if you wanted to, just to get a breeze, or if you wanted to hear the street noise. Okay, this is the view. We got a floor to ceiling window. Very cool chandelier that hangs right above it. And I'll show you the view. Okay, this room is, again, room 838. So it's on the 8th floor. You can see right across the street to Bally's. Over here. Over there's the Cosmopolitan, and I don't know if you can see, but you can actually see a tad bit of the Bellagio and the fountain area. So it is a pretty cool view. I'll show you what it looks like at night when it gets dark. Now it is a balcony, however, you can't access it. It looks like you can, but it has some locks on there, so you can't open it, so they don't allow access outside. All right, there you can see our view from our window at nighttime. It's really pretty, lots of lights. Again, that's the Bellagio, Cosmopolitan. Over there, there's the fountain, but it's not on yet. And down there is Bally's. It's pretty neat. All right, there is the shower. You can see if you have all the lights turned off in the bedroom and all the lights turned on in the bathroom, it's dark, but you still kind of see the silhouette of someone taking a shower. Move around so we can see you. Wave. I don't know if you can see it, but there you go. There's a close-up. Wave.